Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. Monibelmos here. Today I want to share with you guys the latest room that I worked on. I take a lot of pride and joy in them, but this one is particularly special because it belongs to my husband, and we are turning an old bedroom into a gaming room. I don't know much about streaming or gaming, but I know Ninja, and I don't know him personally, but I've heard of him, and I know he's really popular in the gaming YouTube Twitch community. And so I took a look at his room about 6 months ago. I believe Red Bull posted a video of a room makeover that they did for his gaming setup in his house, and it's like legit. There's LED lights, there's Funko Pops, his setup, his desk, he has snacks, and I was totally inspired by his room. Obviously his room costs probably thousands of dollars, which I don't have to spend on this room. But I kind of found inspiration in that room. I wanted Juan to like it, but I wanted him to feel inspired and motivated to go and game. Like, I'm not gonna lie, many times I get annoyed because he's like all day on his computer gaming, but I feel like he supports me in what I like to do, and I want to support him in what he likes to do. I always feel that if a person has a room where they feel they are identified in and that they love and they can feel like themselves in, they will be much more productive and they will be motivated to do more. Enough rambling. I want you guys to check everything out, see how I did it, and hopefully you guys can have some ideas if you have a boyfriend or a brother or dad or cousin or whatever, or yourselves, and you want to redo a gaming room, or you just want to see tips or tricks, or you just want to see how I did it, check it out. I always appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Thank you so much. Yeah, so here we go. Okay guys, so as soon as you walk in, this is the room. It used to be a kid's room, a baby room, but now it's being changed into a game room. Excuse the echo, it's just empty as you guys can see. It's a pretty small room. So first I'm just going to measure from the wall to about wherever I want that dark paint to go across the wall, and I think I want it pretty high. Only because when I put the desk here, I want that dark paint color to be able to like be above it, the monitors that are on the desk. I am getting ready to paint, and what I'm doing is I'm using this product called Matte Medium. You can find it on Amazon by Liquitex, and basically it's not white, it's a clear paint. And what I use that for is I get it on my brush and then I go along the tape line with it. Basically what it's doing, it's sealing in any air bubbles or gaps that might be between the tape and the wall, so that way when I use my paint color, there's going to be no bleed throughs. It's going to be a straight seamless line. And I learned that trick from someone on YouTube. I was doing a mural on my son's wall, and I realized that when I took the painter's tape off, my lines weren't straight, and that's because sometimes if you don't put the tape down all the way, or there's a air bubble in there, once you take the tape off, it won't be straight. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish painting all around the room with the matte medium, and then also I'm going to do my borders because I want nice clean lines there, and when I'm done I'll come back on video. Okay, so now that our matte medium is on, I am ready to paint. A lot of the times that I worked in rooms, I found that art can be very expensive. So I wanted to show you guys really quick what I've done in order to get really cool art in a kind of inexpensive way. So these are pictures or prints that I bought on Etsy. This one I believe was like $3. This one was about $3 as well. And on the pictures on Pinterest that I found in setups, a lot of gamers always have like either game show prints or video game prints or movie prints that like inspire them, or characters that they really like. So I believe this is from Game of Thrones. I don't watch it. Don't kill me if I got it wrong. I think it's Arya from Game of Thrones, but I'm not sure. And obviously this is Iron Man. And anywho, like an Iron Man picture like this, if you were to buy it entirely at like Target or I don't know, wherever they sell like these pieces of art, they can be really expensive. They can be maybe like $25, maybe even more, depending on size. So I got the print for $3. The frame was $7.99 at Michael's, and I used a 40% coupon. So yeah, it's kind of like a cheap frame, but people don't have to know that. Like, who cares? I think it looks pretty good. The border, I feel like, always makes it look really fancy. So if you find a frame that's not expensive and it has a border around it, it can give it like a really sleek look to whatever room you want to work on. So I think it's always really good to invest in those and look for a coupon. Like, I swear by coupons. Retail Me Not, or just Google the store name and then coupon, and then you should find one. But yeah, like, this is like super cheap art, and it looks pretty modern, kind of expensive but not really expensive. If you're on a super tight budget, you can always check your Goodwill for frames. So I got these frames at the Goodwill, and they were $2.50 a piece. And they came with the border. I don't know if you guys can see, but it came with the border. And I thought these were like a really good deal for $2.50. It didn't come with the caterpillar or the blue paper. I actually did that, but you can always like take out the backing and add whatever kind of picture you want. And yeah, that's really, really cheap artwork. That's it for those of you guys on a budget. You can always replace old hardware, and it costs about $10 to $15. I just switched this gold doorknob for this black one, and it looks so much better. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you really quick. I didn't record myself actually doing this, but I wanted to tell you how. This is an Alex drawer, and a lot of people on YouTube use Alex drawers. The gamers, the streamers, or makeup gurus, you know, they're really known. And I just wanted to show you that you can have Alex drawers and give them kind of like a custom look. And so basically what I did, I got some hardware from my Home Depot, and I got 10 in total, which I think they were about $3 each, so $30. Yeah, it can be kind of pricey, but if you want something that looks more custom and a little bit different than everyone else, then I think it's worth it. So basically what I did, I measured my length of the drawer, and I divided it by half because I wanted this to be like in the center. And I measured my height of the drawer, the drawer, and did the center of that, and that's how I got. Basically, that's where I drilled my my hole, and yeah, pretty simple stuff. And yeah, I think it looks really cool. Kind of custom. They're a little dirty. I'll clean that up for the reveal. But yeah, I am doing cable wiring. I want to make sure that I have a nice clean edge on the desk. No cables inside. There's some cables there, but I'll fix that in a little bit. And yeah, just want to make sure that it's really, really clean looking, both on top and on bottom. And yeah, I pretty much already did that, and I'll show you guys how I did it. But now I'm getting ready to install lights. And these are the lights that I bought. They are from Amazon. They're called Hit Lights LED strip lights or strip kit. And I saw these on Amazon. They had pretty good reviews, and I don't know, I wanted to give them a try. The thing that caught my attention was that they are connected to Wi-Fi, and they're connected to Alexa. Well, you can connect it to Wi-Fi and Alexa. And I thought it'd be pretty cool, you know, for Juan to come in and say, hey Alexa, can you turn on the lights? And then like all the lights will go on. Yeah, that'd be pretty sick. So these are the lights, and I got the 16-foot one because I want to have enough for the desk. I want a lot of lights. If I could have done the whole room in lights, I probably would have, but it wasn't in the budget. So yeah, I'm gonna give them a try, and I'll let you guys know. You'll probably see it in the video. Turn ambush to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, turn ambush to 100%.
Okay.
One more time, I want to show you guys the room before and now the after. Alright guys, this is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you guys got some tricks from it. If you're gonna do your gaming room on a budget, I hope you got some tricks in order to like decorate it and make it feel more streamer or Twitch or gamer friendly or whatever. As long as it reflects you and your personality, that's pretty much all that matters. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate your support. And that's it. See you guys next time. Bye.